All right, so I want to show you, this is my bathroom here, if you guys can see, and we have 3 Wicker baskets. They match, they look beautiful. Now these are very essential for the bathroom here. If you guys can see, we have our toilet here. Now this one right here houses our dirty clothes. All right, so it houses all our dirty clothes in here. I'm not going to show you our dirty clothes, but this one has 5 mesh on here, and you could even take it off in case you want to take out the laundry bag. I like that. That's a plus. All right, you could take this around as a real rope. All right, everything looks handmade, if you guys can see that. Now the second one that we have here, I'm gonna move this on the side. The second one, discreetly, we put in our toilet paper in here. Look at that. And also on this one, everything's removable with Velcro. All right, so it has Velcro in here. Cover it up. I'm not gonna open that one because that's our garbage can, but we did add a little bag here so it won't damage it or dirty it. And look at this trio here. This is fabulous. The actual details on every little nylon that it has and ribbon, very details. Now this whole combination is a good combination for a bathroom. You could use it for anything, laundry, putting away things, but this is how we use it in our bathroom. Dirty clothes, extra toilet paper, and the waste basket. It matches beautifully. So if you guys are looking for something like this to match your bathrooms, this might be it. I mean, we use a garbage, extra toilet paper, and then our laundry mat. And then you could remove the bags even easier. You could handle these. They won't come off. You could add them up with a lot of loads and pick them up real handy. So in fact, look at this. Details in the actual weaving. So if you're looking for a nice little area that you want to set these up for, these are perfect. They come in trio. So hope you guys enjoy the video.